In this week's parsha, we have the idea, the way Korach goes and debates Moshe Rabbeinu's leadership. Rashi quotes that Korach's question of Moshe Rabbeinu were on two issues on halacha which he felt wasn't consistent. Question number one: suppose a person has a house full of svarim. Is there still the need to have a mezuzah on the room? That was one question Korach raised to Moshe Rabbeinu. Another question Korach raises to Moshe Rabbeinu: suppose you have a beged, a garment, which is totally blue. Is it still necessary to put on the tchelos, the blue fringes, put on the tzitzis? And Moshe Rabbeinu says yes. So Korach says, wait, this doesn't make sense. If you have a room which is full of Hebrew books, it still needs a mezuzah. If you have a garment which is totally blue, it still needs tzitzis. Obviously, Moshe Rabbeinu's whole idea that he made up, all his laws are man-made, it doesn't make any sense, there's no reason to follow it. Now, the question which raises is, what was Korach's point in bringing up these two halachos? I think the idea of what Korach was really debating Moshe Rabbeinu is the idea of having a central figure in Judaism. Korach debated that there's no need to have a leader. That was his debate why Moshe Rabbeinu shouldn't be the leader. What's the idea when you have a room full of svarim? You still need a mezuzah. You still need to have something which is designated amongst the crowd, that's going to be something which is going to remind me of Hashem's presence. What's the idea, even when you have a room, you have a beged full of tchelos, you have a garment which is totally blue, you still have to have that one little blue string. You have to have a leader amongst them all. Korach's debate with Moshe Rabbeinu is there a need to have a leader? In today's times, when we're going through difficult times, Klal Yisrael, and Eretz Yisrael, and Chutz La'aretz and so forth, we almost unite and try to find the leader that could guide us through these times. Have a chance.